कैसे हो? तो ये कोविड का चक्कर बहुत सिंपल है. वी कैन easily take care of it. It's a viral infection. We can easily avoid it. We can easily treat it, and we can get rid of this COVID pandemic in India within the next 3 to 6 months. No worries. Okay. So first, let's go over the protocol and steps. The first thing is avoidance. Avoid. तो पहले stay home. If you have no business being outside, don't go outside. Just stay home with your family. दूसरा, use 80% ethanol sanitizer. Sanitize your hands frequently. Do that for your whole family. You can even use 80% ethanol to sanitize all the surfaces in your house. Your house needs to be like a puja room or like an operating room. It needs to be very clean. Very clean, no or less diseases. Okay, not just COVID. It'll help prevent a lot of diseases. Prevention is much better than treatment or trying to make arrangements for it. Okay, so use a 1.8% bleach solution. Can be anywhere from 0.5 to 1.8% bleach solution or sodium hypochlorite solution. Get a sprayer, make the solution, get a sprayer, spray all the surfaces in your house, spray your bathrooms, keep everything sparkling and clean. Cleanliness is godliness. So the more clean you are and the more clean your family is and the more clean house and surroundings you have, you will be very safe and healthy. UVC, ultraviolet C. So either get a UVC box or a handheld or a room unit. This will help disinfect all the surfaces. It'll get rid of SARS-CoV-2 virus, which causes COVID. It also gets rid of a lot of harmful bacteria and viruses. It kills 99.99% of harmful bacteria and viruses. So get a UVC box. Okay. If you need more information on any of the above, look at my Ku account, which is under India's Doc, INDIASDOC, or K Mahesh Reddy, Dr. K Mahesh Reddy. Look at either under those on Ku. You can also look on YouTube and many other media channels too. So pehle, this is very simple to treat. Let's treat it. Let's win. When you go outside, and if you need to go outside, wear masks, wear a face shield. These will protect your life. These are very simple things to do. So your health is your responsibility. It's not your neighbor's responsibility. It's not somebody else's responsibility. It's not the government's responsibility. Nobody in India or Italy or USA or somewhere else is looking out for you or looking to help you out. Okay, so get smart, lose the cuteness, and get going in life. Okay, so अपना health देखने का, we are the best people. Take care of yourself, take care of your family. Okay, that's the first thing. Avoidance, avoidance, avoidance. Avoid getting COVID. So let us go on to the next one. Let us say somebody gets COVID or tests positive or has COVID. So 80% of people have mild symptomatology or are asymptomatic. So most people don't need to go to the hospital. Most people don't need remdesivir. Most people don't need oxygen. That is the main thing. Lose the panic. If you panic, if you make mistakes, you will be in trouble. So don't be afraid. Don't be scared. It will all be okay. Okay. So if you have mild to moderate disease, there are multiple medications such as favipiravir, there's Clevira, there's a whole bunch of other antivirals and immunologicals that can actually help you. There's more medicines that are coming out too. So you may or may not need oxygen, in which case you might need an oxygen cylinder or you might need a home oxygen concentrator. So if you need those, your healthcare team will take care of that for you. Most of the time you can stay home. If you need to be in a hospital setting, listen to your healthcare team or doctor's advice. Okay, any problems, go to your doctor, get checked, take care of it, keep moving in life. Okay, no panic, no screaming, no crying out to the heavens, lose the drama. First thing. So just be simple, don't be afraid, you will be just fine. Let's say somebody has severe COVID. Obviously, they'll need to be in an ICU or a hospital setting. Your healthcare team or doctors will already arrange for that. You might need remdesivir or other antivirals or immunologicals or 2-deoxyglucose or a lot of other medications which are available. So just go to your hospital, just go to your doctor, they'll help you take care of the problem. So most people don't need to be in the hospital. Only the moderate and severe set needs to be in the hospital. So if you need oxygen, provision will be made for that. Take the oxygen, take the medications, and hopefully you will feel better. If you need a ventilator support, your doctors or healthcare team will take care of you for that. Our doctors and hospitals are very good. Our doctors are very good, so they'll take care of you. So don't panic, don't be afraid. Try to avoid getting COVID. If you get COVID, we can easily take care of that. Okay, no janjat. Next, going on to the more important thing, vaccinations. Covishield is there, Covaxin is there, Sputnik is there. Sputnik Light is coming too. The Johnson and Johnson vaccine is undergoing trials. The Zydus vaccine, which is a DNA vaccine, which is fantastic, it's coming soon. There are a whole bunch more vaccines coming. If other vaccines come in also, that's beautiful. Your first vaccination shot will get you the most benefit. You'll almost get about 80% of immunity. So get in line. Once it's your turn, get vaccinated. Till then, all the other things stay the same. You stay home, you avoid unnecessary travel, you don't move out of your home if you don't need to, work from home, do business from home, just have fun at home, do yoga. If your main thing is you're getting ration and you eat and sleep, that is fantastic. That is eating and sleeping yoga. Okay, most Indians don't do much anyways. So there's no reason for you to go out and dhoom machake and to make all kinds of drama and nonsense. So if you just need to stay home, just stay home. Remember, it's your life. If you get COVID, that's your problem. That's no one other's problem. That is not your neighbor's problem. That is not the Americans or Russians' problem. It's your problem. So if you stay home, you avoid getting COVID, or if you get COVID, you treat it, it'll be okay. You might need to spend a little money for that. If you don't, then you wind up in a hospital or elsewhere, and either you will pay a lot of money or you will go to Swargavas or meet Yamraj. So try not to do that. It's not a very pleasant experience. Okay. So be there for yourself, be there for all your neighbors and society, be there for your family. So first things, avoid situations where you can get COVID. So stay home, have fun. Play with the kids, play with the wife, play with your family. Just be okay. So use 80% ethanol sanitizer. Use it everywhere. Keep your surroundings clean. I want your home to be like a temple or a hospital. Very clean. Okay. Not a dirty temple or hospital, but a very clean temple or hospital. Your home is very beautiful and you keep it clean. 80-90% of the time, you won't even get either COVID or any disease. Okay. Then use a 1.8% bleach solution. Either get it pre-made or get the sodium hypochlorite and make it at home. And then you can put in a sprayer and clean everything around you. Okay. Clean surroundings are the best. First thing, strategy is avoid. Second is treat. So if somebody gets COVID or you get COVID, go get it treated. Get the best medical attention. Get out the money, take a loan, get spend for yourself, and try to be healthy and happy. Your health is your own responsibility. It's no one else's responsibility. So time to grow up, smell the roses, and if you need to spend money on yourself and get better, stay better and get better. Vaccinations, lots are there, lots are also coming. So don't panic. Please take care of yourself. Please take care of your family. we will easily win against COVID. Vande Mataram.